Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. Let's go ahead and explore a new practical case of stickers in Maverick. This is the model we will be working on. We have crafted the sticker images we will be using in Photoshop. As described in other videos, they are simple PNG or TIFF files with an alpha mask. Let's work on the first sticker. We simply drop the image on our model and choose sticker in the drag and drop dialog prompt. This will automatically create a sticker and enables surface mode in the move tool so we can slide the sticker over the object's surface. Let's adjust the sticker's real size and find its final position, after which we accept the transform in the floating panel. We recommend that you hide the sticker gizmo when you no longer need it. Let's now change the material type to plastic. Since plastics have a specular component, it is easy to see how well the material bump works. But here the effect is a bit exaggerated, so we will lower the blur radius in the sticker texture to make the bump bevel narrower. Then in the sticker's properties we may select Blend Bump with Object Material. This will mix the sticker's bump with the bump of the underlying object. Let's move on to the next sticker, the logo of the manufacturer, LG. Let's drop the PNG on the object. Choose sticker and adjust its size like before. We will hide the sticker's gizmo and change the material type to plastic. Then we will enable Blend Bump again. Let's move on to one sticker we want to place on the side of the model. Again, let's drop the PNG, choose sticker, place it, and change its size. We want to rotate this sticker. We will use the sticker's internal rotation attribute. We adjust its placement and change its material to plastic. Next we will clone this sticker to do the same on the other side of the model. This time we drop the sticker on the object and negate the rotation with a minus sign because the stickers on both sides must be symmetric. We want to place some stickers on the push buttons. For this we will use some stock images from the Maverick library. In the design area we will search for power and pick one that works for us. We will drop it and adjust its size, position and rotation. We will also change the material to plastic and lower its diffuse weight to darken the brightness of the white color a little bit. We will keep adding stickers from the library with the same workflow. It's really easy and comfortable. Last, we will use one of the substance stickers we have included in the library to type in some texts. To this end, we will drop the SBSAR on the model and choose sticker. Then we adjust its size and orientation. In the properties of the SBSAR node, we can configure the text and some other parameters to our liking. And that's it. Let's enjoy some hero shots of the scene we just configured. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.